Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord JavaScript error. So the process is pretty simple. If you are facing that issue, you have to simply click on your search bar and click on the search for the task manager. Once you will tap on it, you have to go to the details and here you have to search for the Discord, and once you will find Discord.exe, here you have to click on the right and click on the end task. Once you will do it, now close it and go to the search bar and search for control panel, and once you will here click on the uninstall a program, and here you have to search for the Discord, and once you will search for the Discord, you have to uninstall the Discord from here, and after that go to the program files in the C and uninstall your Discord from your computer, and after that download again your Discord and shut down your computer and restart your computer, and after that install the Discord again. Hope so this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.